ELI language games, play and learn. This is a series of video tutorials on ELI games. In this video, we're going to present a game focused on grammar revision and practice. Each game is available in 5 languages: English, French, German, Spanish and Italian. The games have different characteristics and can be divided into 4 categories: dominoes, bingos, card games, board games. Domino game. Let's party. A2 to B1 level. This is a variation of the traditional dominoes game. The language goals are learning and practice of frequently used tenses and vocabulary expansion. The box contains 48 domino cards, with an illustration on one side and a sentence on the other. The sentences describe activities related to a party. The verb in each sentence is always given in brackets in the infinitive form. Shuffle the cards and deal them out to the players. Depending on the player's language level, the teacher decides in which form the verbs will have to be conjugated. This can be in the present, past, future or continuous forms. The starting domino is blue. The player who owns it starts the game, placing it on the table. The teacher asks for the verb form. Play proceeds with the next player on the right, who matches the illustrated situation with the sentence. Cards can be matched on both sides of the sequence. Remember, the verb must be conjugated in the required tense and in the correct person and form. If a player has no connecting card, he or she must pass, declaring it pass. The first player to use up all of his or her cards is the winner. The teacher's booklet provides extra game ideas, curiosities about parties in the UK, and typical party recipes. The instructions accompanying the game are also downloadable from our website too. Ready? Let's party! ELI language games. The more you play, the more you learn.